All right, hello. And we were going to take a look at DNA, messenger RNA, and amino acids. At the beginning here, you see the items that make up our strands of DNA, our strands of RNA, and these items code for our amino acids. As you see here, we have a DNA, or what we would call a mother strand. It is also going to be replicated or a copy made in producing a daughter strand. That daughter strand is then going to be transcribed or go through transcription to become a messenger RNA strand that will then code for our amino acids. So here we see that all A's should be paired with T's, all T's should be paired with A's, C's to G's, and G's to C's. And I had a student, and I would like to give her a shout out, and she'll know who she is when she sees this. She says she remembers A's go with T's because apples are in trees. So A to T, and cars are in garages. So C to G. So that is when we are dealing with DNA replicating to another DNA strand. So I'd like you to take this time to pause the video and attempt to make your daughter strand from our mother strand by simply pairing those particular nucleic acids. All right. So you all have had the time to give that a try. So let's see if you got the same answer I did. For my daughter's strand, my first codon is ATG. I then have GCG. My third codon is AGG. My fourth is CGG. My fifth is CAG. My sixth is CTG. My seventh is TTA. My eighth is TGG. And my final is TGA. Now, when we are dealing with mRNA and our DNA strand is going through transcription, anywhere where we have an A that would typically be paired to a T, that T at this time is going to switch to a uracil. But if you have a T in your DNA strand, you will still have A's in your mRNA. So take a look here where you have A to U, and this is the item on the left of the arrow would be the strand above it, would be paired with a U below. Likewise, if we have a T, it's paired with an A in the same pattern as before. So take this time to pause the video and attempt to do your mRNA strand. All right. So let's take a look and see if you arrived at the same messenger RNA that I did. So looking at the daughter strand above the row that allows me to fill in for my messenger RNA, we're going to have an A paired with a U, T to an A, G to a C. So your first codon is UAC. Your next one's going to be CGC. Your following one will be UCC. Your fourth one would be GCC. Your next one would be GUC, then GAC, AAU, ACC, and ACU. Once again, we were making or transcribing the messenger RNA from the daughter strand or the DNA strand right above it. All right. For our fourth and final row, we're going to be utilizing this universal genetic code chart. And this will translate for the body the different messenger RNA codons and give you the amino acid that the body would use after that coding has been done. So take this moment now, and you're going to follow along by looking for your first base. So if we are looking at UAC as the first codon of question, we're going to look on the far left side for the first letter of the base, which is the letter U. You would then look for the second base, as you see here above the top of the chart, the letter A. So we are going to be in the first row, third column. And then we're able to see here that on the far right, the letter C is going to be right here. So UAC is going to code for the amino acid TYR. So we would place that in our amino acid chain and look to the next codon and see what it is going to be coding for. So take this moment and go ahead and pause the video and give yourself a moment to do your amino acids. All right. So you've had a moment to try that. So let's see if you arrived at the same amino acids I did. Here we have TYR, ARG, SER, ALA, VAL, ASP, ASN, THR, and THR. All right, so that is going to be your code for your amino acids. And this will complete our RNA and DNA and amino acids. So once again, I wish you happy studying and you have a wonderful day.